Hello, this is Quiet Car. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so this is the tent or the greenhouse in sleet last winter. After it has already collapsed in a snowstorm earlier, I put this fiber cement board in the middle of it to support it, hold up the roof. Unfortunately, though, in another snowstorm that came after this one, the snow got so heavy overnight and this board collapsed. So this is what has become of the fiber cement board. You can see it broke cleanly right here, it just snapped. This is now 3 months later in April, in the middle of spring. I've already done some work for this greenhouse to support it. I showed in the previous video. So today I'm gonna try to finish it. Already put up 3 posts, and 2 of these posts are actually buried into the ground. This one isn't. I'm gonna put a 3rd post right here from here, and it's gonna get buried in the ground as well. And then I'm gonna put a beam across here just to hold up this part of the greenhouse, because when there's a lot of snow, this part, it's gonna bend, it's gonna collapse down, and there won't be a post here. So instead I'm gonna try to just put a beam here to hold up this part. First I'm gonna need some tree branches as the posts. Fortunately, we have plenty of dying trees or dead branches and trees in the property that I cut over the years. It's probably deep enough. Say about 16 inches deep. "91 inches. All right, so now the last post, the fourth post, is in place, and I put the beam in. This beam on top, it's a little bit curved, this wood, but it fits nicely. It's tied to the posts, to these two posts with tie wraps. And at this end, it's tied to the arch with tie wraps too. And this thing is strong, so no amount of snow is going to be able to collapse this. And the other part of this is that this is going to prevent this arch from collapsing inward, because it's got this post to hold it back against the wind, which is blowing this way. Now, this greenhouse, all of this time, it has been supported by these two lines, this one line, and there's this other string also. These two strings are tied to the ground right here. So strings are pulling the front side to prevent it from getting blown and collapsed that way. Now with the posts in place and with the beam on top, I'm finally going to be able to take these two strings off. And that makes it a lot easier to actually get into the greenhouse. So the last part of this project is to put some reinforcing posts on this front sidewall to support these posts, the original posts. All right, so it's a nice spring day today, and the greenhouse project is all finished. What we have here is 4 vertical posts supporting all of the joints in the roof, and we got a top beam to carry the weight of the snow in the winter. And on the side wall, all of the side posts are reinforced. So this is everything we can do to get this greenhouse ready for the summer storms.